So here I am, on the maiden voyage of the Star of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship. 3 months ago, I was getting laid off via text message in the middle of the Pacific. Today, I'm celebrating the official launch of something I never planned but couldn't be more excited about. And for those who know me, of course it had to be a maiden voyage. This channel started quietly. I've been working on it for months, building a foundation, figuring out what I actually wanted to say. But this is the real launch. In 2 days, I'm making it official, announcing on LinkedIn and across social media that I've pivoted from corporate tech manager to building something new. A channel, a business, and a community. The plan was always to wait until I had enough content to feel confident, until I knew this wasn't just a retirement hobby, but something real. Think of this channel as our own high-tech voyage, exploring AI, home automation, and wherever cutting-edge technology takes us next. I'm not here to sell you on AI as some magic solution. You saw how it messed up parts of my trip. But I'm also not here to dismiss it. You saw how it helped me pivot when everything fell apart. The truth is somewhere in between. And that's what we're going to figure out together. Just like on a cruise ship, you can plan your own itinerary. If you're new to AI, there's a complete playlist to get you up to speed. If you like behind the scenes, check out my blog, The Factory, where I share how these videos come together, or sometimes fall apart. And keep your eyes open, because our podcast launches soon.
This is just the beginning, and I'd love your input on where we should head next. Drop a comment with the topics you're curious about. What AI tools are you trying? What's working? What's driving you crazy? What do you want to see me test and break? Let's chart this course together.
It has been a little over 3 months, and tonight I'm having dinner at the celebration table with friends and family celebrating my retirement and my pivot. Turns out, sometimes the best stories come from the plans that don't work out. Here's to an incredible journey ahead. Welcome aboard!
Digital beeps rising. Hit the future with every beat. My high-tech life, or feel the beat. Innovation, charge, move your feet. My high-tech life so complete. My high-tech life amplified.